Hey everyone, thank you for joining me here at MGM Classic Cars. I am located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1979 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am, guys, 6.6 liter. This is a factory rebuilt 400 cubic inch motor. It's a V8 engine, as you can see. It's not the original motor to this particular car, but it is a 400 rebuilt cubic inch. The odometer shows 14,562 miles. It's a 5-digit odometer, so this body definitely has 114,000 miles, in my opinion. It's backed up by a Borg-Warner Super T-10 4-speed manual transmission, guys. Very desirable. Very desirable. So I'm happy that they upgraded this car from a 4.9 liter to a 6.6. Power steering, power front disc brakes, stock rear end. It does have a posi unit. In the interior here, it's black bucket seats, so you guys can see they have been reupholstered. And they look really, really nice. This part here on the seat, I'm going to point out to you, came out, so we will fix that. I just wanted to address that. I just seen it, but we had that redone. Okay, so it's going to definitely come in and look like that. So, continuing, upgraded wheel and tire package, guys. As you can see, these are the bigger wheels that are put on this car. Very, very sharp. Great color combo with the silver on the hood there and matches those beautiful wheel and tire package. All the metal on the car seems to be original. I did go over the car with a magnet. Everything appears to be very good and original. The car's been recently serviced with fluids, so you're good to go there. It does run, drive, and stop good. I will be going for a test drive with you guys. And yes, the dual exhaust does sound pretty good on this car. I do have a clean and clear title in hand, guys, on the vehicle. If you guys wanted some upgrades, and I'll talk to you about financing your upgrades, which you can. You guys can upgrade this vehicle. This is a non-air conditioned car. As you can see, there's nothing there. But if you wanted to put an air conditioning kit on this car, you're looking at about $4,000, and we can do that in our own service departments. LED lights for the front are about $500 installed. Rear tail lights, same thing. I just did one on a Dodge Challenger, and my customer is ecstatic. Ceramic coating, we have a great sale for $995. Electric cutout for the dual exhaust system. You guys can do that. We also install those right now for $1,500. If you wanted power windows, we can do that for about $2,000. But I don't think you need that, in my opinion. But if you like it, you can do it. It's not a problem. We are installing stereo systems now. We have a great guy doing it. We can do a Pyle 7-inch touchscreen with navigation and Bluetooth. 4 speakers. You'll have that Pyle touchscreen in the dash. You touch the screen, it pops out, comes out. You'll have 2 kick panel speakers in the front, and then 2 6x9s installed in the rear. So we can do that package for about $2,000. Now, all of these options that I've discussed with you guys, those options can be rolled into your loan if need be. Beautiful weather stripping, guys, all redone. Nice door lips, factory pinch welds, super nice under the doors, no rot. New door sill plates, as you can see. Beautiful door jambs on both sides. You got tilt wheel, nice center console, factory gauges, nice dash pad on the car, and the T-tops. The T-tops are glass, and they're right here, and they're in mint condition as well. In the trunk, you got your spare tire. You got your factory manifolds that go with the car if need be, but super clean as well there. So I'm going to fire this thing up. I want you guys to hear it. We're going to go for a test drive. All righty. You got tilt wheel right there. Okay. Horn. You got radial tune suspension. Headlights on, headlights off. Wipers function. Got your left turn signal, right turn signal. We'll have to check the bulb for that one, okay? Tack works, clock works, oil pressure. You got great oil pressure. Your water temp, your fuel gauge, your volt gauge. You got your heat, defrost, everything functions. Look at that rumble. Guys, we're ready to go. Rock and roll, man. Best time of the day for me. All right, guys. We're exiting 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, the home of MGM Classic Cars. To my right here, the brown building. You got our service department and our detail shop. We do service all our vehicles, and I can show you that area there when we pull in to do the photos underneath the vehicle. Okay. Around back here, this is some of our stuff that's sold to the right and waiting for transportation or service. Power steering feels awesome in this car. Some more cars on the left and the right that we're selling. Clutch feels nice. You got dual sport mirrors. Speedo functions. Very nice. I love the tilt wheel option. Suspension feels tight. It doesn't pull left or right. Let's see when you hit the brake if it's going to pull or not. Oh, nice. Very nice. Nice temperament. Love it on the motor. What a beautiful evening. It's about 55 degrees here. I got the T-tops off. Man. It's fun with the T-tops and the 4-speed. Very desirable package. Especially with these bigger oversized wheels. This thing drives a lot smoother. And it looks a lot sleeker too, you have to admit. So we'll talk a little bit about financing and delivery in a little bit here. Trying to get past this traffic. Oh, the turn signal to the right does function on the outside. That's good. It's just go. That's third gear, 60 miles an hour. Feels nice going down the road straight. A lot of power in the motor. Love having a 4-speed to control the RPMs. Oh, this thing's very smooth, even on this bumpy road. Yeah, it's this radial tune suspension that Pontiac came up with back in the 70s to make these cars drive much better. better. Like, this thing drives a lot tighter than a 79 Camaro by far. It's a great package that they did. Yeah, definitely your right turn signal does function on the exterior. See it? It's blinking on that car? Yeah. All right, good. We'll put the headlights on. There we go. All right, I'm going to take this turn a little bit more. I'm going to take this turn not a very aggressive, but kind of. Hoping we don't do a 360. Guys, we're gonna head back to the service department here. I'm gonna get this car up on the lift, and that little noise are the manifolds in the trunk. Okay, we'll get this thing up on the lift, take some photos. I'll show you guys the service department a little bit. We do service all our cars before they leave the dealership. Okay. All right, get this puppy on the lift. You guys can do that with me. Tells you that I've been doing this for quite some time. Yeah, okay. Nice to have the tilt wheel. Man, a stereo system would be really cool in this thing. So, you know, let me know if you guys are interested. So here's our service department, our overstock, a lot of nice cars that are getting ready to leave to new homes. Let's check out the showroom. There's never a dull moment here. So this whole building here to my left, to your left, is full of classic cars, guys. We have over 200 cars that we own. We hand pick them, we buy them, we put our money where our mouth is. And there's somebody in the background playing with one of the toys. But back here is our main showroom, where you can find all the cars at mgmclassiccars.com as well. If you know anybody looking for a 68 Shelby Eleanor, underneath there, it's about 400 grand. It's got a 5.8 Whipple. It's not listed for sale. That one's next. Just some beautiful stuff here, guys. We're gonna head back to my desk because I'm done. But listen, if you need financing and if your credit scores, say 630 to 770, please fill out the credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. You will need good credit and 10% down for the vehicle. Okay, so 10% down. You can roll in all the options. You can roll in even your sales tax. You can even roll in the transportation. I don't care. But we do have the option to offer you. We're very exclusive upon that. Not too many other dealers can offer that. And if you need delivery, call or text me at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching MGM Classic Cars.